The Boy and the Cloud. High above Willow Creek lived Leo and his cat Blue, who had fur like a stormy sky and a star like eyes. They operated the Cloud Bread Factory, a sunny kitchen where they baked loaves from happiness and morning mist. Their process was magical. Leo used ground up stardust as flour. Blue helped knead dough with his soft paws. The essential secret ingredient was a pinch of giggles, which caused the dough to rise into golden, glowing pillows. One day, Leo decided to send a batch down to the town. As the bread floated into Willow Creek, the children caught it, and after eating it, they felt light enough to jump higher than ever before. Back in their sky home, Leo and Blue enjoyed a piece of their creation, happy to share a bit of magic with the world below.
Send them down to the sleepy town. Now giggles rise up like golden dust, a little shared magic for all.